Happy morning once again, guys. Let me. I have this privilege to introduce Mr. Rohit Goel. He is a seasonal business consultant with decade of experience, specialized in catalyzing your growth for US listed and non-listed companies. Proficient in scaling operation, strategic planning, and business plan development. He lives in he lives with his family in Pitampura with a desire to contribute India's business landscape, Rohit aims to bring his international expertise to local enterprise. His commitment extended beyond his consultancy for sure. He helps businesses and find their ways, prepare long-term business plans, and manage teams, etc. Let's hear more from Rohit. Over to you, Rohit.
So happy morning, everyone. Thank you, Shashi sir, for the introduction. And today I would like to present my company, Unfolding Value. We are a business and financial consulting. Our vision as a company is to have 1% positive impact on 1 billion individual or their businesses. The idea of having 1% positive impact is because I believe as a consultant or outsider, if I can just make 1% shift, I can help businesses in either increasing the momentum or giving them a right direction. Who uh, we are an optimistic problem solver. We believe uh, we believe that if if there is a problem, it comes with a solution, and if there's no solution, we don't have a problem. So we help businesses and individuals solve their problem with best of our knowledge and 100% commitment. And why we are so optimistic? I truly believe 100% of world's problem can be solved by 100% committed entrepreneurs. So with this belief, if I want to help those 100% committed entrepreneurs and make the 1% difference to them, so they can ride in so they can go in the right direction and fulfill their dreams. How we can solve problems. First of all, I would like to introduce myself so you guys have a little bit of idea who what I did till now. And I founded Unfolding Values 7, 8 years back. I must have a decade of long experience as a CPA. I help businesses in complex accounting, mergers, acquisition, tax account, auditing, and US listed compliance. Now, most of our work, couple of years before COVID, was very much isolated towards the West, which is the US, Canada, some of Europe, and I used to help only listed companies. During COVID, when I was in the US, then I realized that there's a lot of value addition required from consultants in a small and medium enterprises rather than a big. With all the big companies have the budget to hire big, educated, not educated but experienced employees who can take care of the listed companies. But when it comes to small businesses, there are huge value addition which is required, where the entrepreneur is expert in their own specific area, but they lack in something else, maybe finance, maybe accounting, maybe lead generation, sales, marketing. So to help them in that area where the entrepreneur is not an expert, until unless they are big enough to hire the expert for themselves as an employee, the company uh, unfolding value has a vision to help them in that journey. My qualifications are I'm right now pursuing post graduation for investment banking and capital market from IIM Ranchi. As I said, I'm a licensed CPA from US. I did my executive MBA from IMT Ghaziabad, and I did my post graduation from IGNOU. I have experience in pharmaceutical industry, FMCG, infrastructure, e-commerce, fashion, telecom, blockchain, and investor relation. Investor relation is not a very specific industry. It is coming out now, but investor relation was a part of all these industries. Now, the problems we solve for our clients. What kind of problems we solve? We help them decision making. What should we do? What kind of should we make something, outsource it? We should buy a property, rent it, product pricing, acquisitions, valuation, etc. Financial modeling, एसेट एलोकेशन, कैश डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, अगर कोई भी चीज़ आपको खरीदनी चाहिए, अगर आपको बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है तो उसके लिए आज से प्लान कैसे करें, ऑल द फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग, पिच टेक इफ यू ट्राइंग टू रेज फंड, preparing pitch deck for you, financial reporting and feedback loop. Now, financial reporting is very different from what chartered accountants do. My financial reporting is preparing a feedback loop of your numbers. So, as an entrepreneur, you receive a report every time you want to look into it. So weekly reports, monthly reports, quarterly, which helps you in taking changes in your decision making. And I say it's financial reporting, but it's a big, much bigger than your accounting numbers. Then tax planning. This is of course is a conflict I would avoid mentioning. Then U.S. Company audit and compliances. If anyone has any reference or anyone who has a listed company in the US, I can do audit for them and I can take care of all the compliances. Problems which we solve for MSMs. This is an area which I would like to spend a little bit of time, how I can help my BT members in their businesses. So what the business planning and strategy development. If you're looking for your business, expand your business. If you're looking to get into a new industry, if you're looking to prepare a strategy for a specific product line, I can help you with that. Financial management, if you're looking for budgeting, forecasting, if you want to see how did you perform cash flow wise and business wise, and what next year or next 10 years look like in your business, I can help you doing that. If you want to have, if you identify a problem, if you have a financial problem but you're not able to identify the reason for it, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें लगता है बिजनेस तो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, my sale increased 3 times, 4 times, but the end cash, net cash flow is not increased that much. तो मेरे पास जो घर पे पैसा आ रहा है वो बहुत लिमिटेड आ रहा है, वो इतना इंक्रीमेंटल इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ. I can help you identify the problem and try to solve it for you. Marketing and sales strategies. If you're trying to build a marketing or sales strategy, either online or offline, so I can help you making those strategies. And there's a difference between a marketing and sales. When we talk about sales strategy, it talks more about lead generation, sales funnel. And when you talk about the marketing strategy, it talks more about awareness and getting your product out maximum. Then technology integration. If you like, you are right now working offline, you want to take it online, or if you wants to increase your efficiency by by introducing technology, IT services, or different platforms or different online services, I can help you doing that. If you like to restructure your business, if there's a change in management, if you want to make it sole proprietorship to corporate, to partnership, and to uh, company. Of course, the compliance part isn't taken care by chartered accountant, but planning how should we do it, what the percentage should look like, how much capital investment by both parties looks like, what is the best way you guys can do it, that I can help you do that. Specialized consulting, if there's any specific question regarding your specific industry which required research, which required a lot of digging in, which required a lot of analysis needs to be done, I can do that. I can help you with that. And training and development. If you think that your sales team require a training, if your online leadership, your leadership requires a training, if your online sales team requires a training, your marketing requires a training or coaching, I can help uh, doing that. Then performance and measurement and KPI development. Of course, everyone required KPI at the end of the period to see how they perform. So I can help you in not only preparing those KPI, but also can introduce some softwares or compliances or a process in place where those KPIs have been judged and changed after every quarter or year, whatever suitable to your business. These are some problems which I have solved till now for my clients, and this is a very much to the Western clients. I haven't done too much in the Indian profile, but this will give an idea of my commitment and my credibility. I help listed companies raise approximately $50 million. I evaluated over 25 startups for investment by different clients. invested around $500,000 in different startups. I set up and led US accounting and finance teams. I evaluated over 50 listed companies for acquisition investment in India, UK, Canada, and the US, and helped setting up different sales funnel for clients to increase the sales up to 5 crores. The business whose problems we cannot solve. So these are few terms which I hear a lot from my clients, and these are terms which these are the problems which unfortunately I cannot solve. I'm looking for consultants who does not charge too much. If you're looking for cheap alternative of your employee, I'm sorry, I'm not the one. If you're looking for accountant, I'm sorry, I'm not the one. If you're seeking someone to help get me loan or funding, I'm sorry, I can help you with all the documentation, presentation, pitch deck, but I do not have direct clients who will help you in loan and funding. We have other members who can help you in this. I do numbers in my head. I just need someone to make Excel sheet. I'm sorry, I'm not the one who can do it for you. So if you're not looking for someone as a consultant and advisor, and you just need someone to prepare an outline what you're thinking, uh, I'm not the right guy. At last, my gift for today, I have Mr. Sanchit, an IFM manager. He can help you in reaching out to different investors for you. Gaurav Taneja, he's an ITGC compliance management. He can help you, of course. Again, it's not a conflict. He does not do, I will not refer for any kind of accounting or CA related work. Only related to income tax GST department work if you have for dispute, we can help you. Sunny Sharma, he can help you with US tax compliance and management of US filing of US tax. Mr. JP Kohli is a real estate agent in Nagpur. And Mr. Ashwini Jain, he can help you with all the IT services, biometric locks, cameras, and all those things in your office. My ask for today's startups who are looking to raise funds, MSME, if you can connect me with anyone, any of these MSMEs who are looking for financial planning or any kind of financial strategies, MSME startups looking to launch new products in or different market or different platform. Identify. This is something which I started recently. I help I help individuals and entrepreneurs to identify the why. Sometimes you struggle in your business and in your life that why I'm doing something and what's the real purpose of it. So I help identifying that why for you. And the last is MSME looking for lead generation process and sales. That's all from my side. Thank you, everyone. I believe I have some time for open for quick Q&A.